Hello friends, hope you're doing great. In this lesson, we will learn about subtraction. Subtraction is when you take something away. So I want you to bring your pencil, your white sheet, and be with me in seconds. And to make this clear, I want you to imagine that you have 5 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Of course, you're not gonna eat the 5 lollipops at a time. So you need this friend to share your lollipops with. This is Salma, and Salma is going to help us in this example. Salma will take away 3 lollipops out of all what we have. Take away 1, take away 2, take away 3. Now I want you to look at your lollipops. How many lollipops are left over after taking away 3 lollipops out of 5? Good job. 2 lollipops are left over. If we want to show that in a bigger example, we put all what we have at the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is all what we have, 5 lollipops. Minus means take away. Take away 1. Unless you take away, you cross the other one over. Take away 2, cross the second one. Take away 3, and cross the third one. So 5, take away 3, and we give them to Salma, equals, let's count them. How many are left over? Good job. 1 and 2. So 2 lollipops are left over after taking away 3 out of 5. Babes, we can show subtraction in many other examples. If we take the traditional example about the red apples, you have a basket and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples inside the basket. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you counting? And 10. So we have 10 apples. All what we have is 10 apples. Of course, we're not going to eat them alone. We should share. So this is Salma again, and Salma is going to take away 1. You cross out 1. 2. You cross out 2. 3 apples. Cross out the third one. 4 apples. You cross out the fourth one. So Salma is taking away 1, 2, 3, 4 apples out of 10. Let's count how many apples are left over inside the basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 6 apples are left over after taking away 4 out of 10. Do you know that we can show it in numbers? Let's do it. 10, take away or minus 4 equals 6. So 6 apples is the leftover. So the minus sign means take away or to subtract, and this sign means equals. To make this much easier, let's define an equation. All what we have is 10 apples, so we write the number 10 at the left side of the equation. Minus sign means to subtract or to take away. 10, take away 4, equals, this sign means equals. And after the equals sign, you put your leftover. 10 take away 4 equals 6, or 10 subtract 4 equals 6. We can show this equation on a picture. We draw 10 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 apples, and we're going to cross out 4 apples. Now I want you to count how many apples are left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples are left over. 6 apples are left over. So 10 take away 4 equals 6. 6 apples. And you can say 10 subtract 4 equals 6. 6 apples. This is what we call subtraction. Subtraction is when you take something away. Let's have another example. If I give you 3 sticker stars and you take away 2 sticker stars and give them to your brother, how many sticker stars are left over? Yes, 3 take away 2 equals 1. This sign means take away and this sign means equals. Another example. Inside this cage there are 3 birds. If someone opened the cage and one bird flew away, how many birds are left over? 3 take away 1 equals, let's count the birds inside the cage. 1 and 2. So 3 take away 1 equals 2. 2 birds are left over. Now let's practice more equations. If we take the first one, 6 take away 3, find out what equals. Show up 6 fingers, then hide 3 fingers. Count the leftover. Good job. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers are left over. The second equation, 7 take away 2. Find out what equals. Show up 7 fingers, then hide 2 and count the rest. Good job. 5 fingers. The last equation, 5 subtract 3. Find out what equals. Good job. 2 is the leftover. Now I want you to think about these equations at home, find out the answers and send them to your teacher. The first one is 8 take away 6, find out what equals. Second one is 5 subtract 2, find out what equals. The third one is 6 take away 5, find out what equals. And the last one is 7 subtract 3, find out what equals. Write them down on your sheet and send their picture to your teacher. And babes, keep this in mind. You can say subtract and you can say take away. Thank you so much for watching. I want you to be very nice at homes. Don't forget to keep your hands clean. Now do your homework and send it to the teachers. Thank you so much. We're sending you much love.